Fix keyboard connection issues on iPad Pro post-iOS 17 update. Hello my dear friends. How are you? I hope you are well, in good health, and in the happiest of days. Today I have a new video with you, which is solving keyboard connection problems on the iPad Pro post-iOS 17 update. I hope you like it, but before watching the video, subscribe to the channel to receive everything new. Now let us follow the explanation. If you recently updated your iPad Pro to iOS 17, you may have encountered some issues with keyboard connectivity. Some users have reported that the Magic Keyboard, Smart Keyboard, or Smart Keyboard Folio is not responding to typing or trackpad input, or that some keys are not working properly. In this article, we will explore the common causes of these issues and provide troubleshooting steps to help you resolve them. Additionally, we will discuss preventive measures to ensure you do not encounter similar issues in the future. iPad Pro keyboard issues after iOS 17, troubleshooting and fixes. One Redditor shared his frustration with keyboard connection issues on his iPad Pro. They described how their Magic Keyboard stopped working properly, preventing them from performing simple tasks like pausing a video using the spacebar or navigating within a video using the arrow keys. My Magic Keyboard stopped working properly with my third generation iPad Pro 12.9 for some keys. For example, when I press the spacebar to stop a video, the bar won't react even after I press it multiple times. And the same goes for on the arrows to move forward or backward. Besides the keyboard, my iPad started randomly touching parts of the screen by itself, like opening apps, choosing a new video, pausing the video, switching widgets. It's been like this for a while even after multiple shutdowns. Anyone have the same issue? I have enough storage space left, more than 100 gigabytes. Possible causes of keyboard connection problems on iPad Pro. Bugs or glitches. iOS 17 is a big update that brings a lot of new features and changes to your iPhone and iPad. However, it may also introduce errors or glitches that affect the performance or compatibility of some apps or accessories, such as the keyboard. These errors or glitches may interfere with communication between iPad and keyboard, or cause iPad to misinterpret keyboard input. Hardware damage or wear. Keyboard connectivity may also be affected by physical damage or wear to the keyboard or iPad. For example, the smart connector terminals on your keyboard or iPad may be dirty, bent, or broken, preventing a stable connection. The keyboard may also experience some internal damage or malfunction that affects its functionality. The iPad screen may also have some cracks or scratches that affect touch sensitivity or accuracy. Interference from other devices or sources. Keyboard connectivity may also be affected by external factors, such as devices or other sources emitting electromagnetic signals or noise. For example, if the keyboard is placed near a microwave, wireless router, Bluetooth speaker, or power outlet, it may experience some interference that affects its performance. Your iPad may also pick up some signals or noise from these sources, causing incorrect touches to register on the screen. Troubleshoot keyboard disconnection on iPad Pro. If you're having keyboard connection issues on your iPad Pro after iOS 17 update, you can try the following troubleshooting steps to resolve it. 1. Update iPad Pro to the latest version of iPadOS. Apple may release software updates that fix certain bugs or glitches that affect keyboard connectivity. To see if updates are available, Go to Settings, General, Software Update and tap the notification that there is a software update. If you don't see a notification, click Download and install if an update is available. Make sure your iPad is connected to a power source and Wi-Fi before updating. 2. Remove any other iPad case or cover. If you're using the Magic Keyboard or Smart Keyboard Folio, be sure to remove any case or other iPad cover that might interfere with the connection. Some cases or covers may be too thick or bulky, or contain magnets or metal that affect the smart connector or keyboard alignment. Try connecting your keyboard without any other case or cover and see if it works better. 3. Clean the smart connector pins. If you're using a smart keyboard or Smart Keyboard Folio, make sure that the smart connector pins on the keyboard and iPad are clean and free of dust, debris, or corrosion. You can clean the pins with a soft, lint-free cloth by gently wiping them. Avoid using any liquids or abrasive materials. If the pins are bent or broken, it's best to contact Apple support or an authorized service provider to fix it. 4. Restart your iPad. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix some software issues affecting keyboard connectivity. To turn your iPad back on, press and hold the power button and one of the volume buttons for 10 to 15 seconds. When you see the Apple logo on the screen, release the buttons. Then reconnect the keyboard and check if it is working properly. 5. Reset keyboard settings. If your keyboard settings are damaged or misconfigured, you may need to reset them to the default values. To reset your keyboard settings, go to Settings, General, Reset and tap Reset Keyboard Dictionary. If it asks for your passcode, enter it, then tap Reset Dictionary. This will erase any custom words or shortcuts you've added to the keyboard dictionary. You can also reset the keyboard layout by going to Settings, General greater than Keyboard, Keyboards, and tapping Edit. Tap the red minus icon next to the keyboard layout you want to delete. Then tap Delete. Click Done and then click Add New Keyboard to add the keyboard layout again. 6. Contact Apple support. If none of the mentioned steps work, you may have a problem with your keyboard or iPad hardware. You can contact Apple support or an authorized service provider for further assistance. They can figure out what's wrong and suggest if you need a repair or replacement. You can also find out the status of your warranty and what it covers by entering your serial number on this site. Preventive measures for future keyboard problems. To reduce the possibility of experiencing keyboard connection problems in the future, consider the following preventative measures. Keep software updated. Regularly check and install software updates for both iPad Pro and the connected keyboard. These updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements. Maintain adequate battery levels. Make sure that both the iPad Pro and the keyboard have sufficient battery levels to maintain a stable Bluetooth connection. Avoid physical damage. Handle iPad Pro and the keyboard with care to prevent physical damage that could affect their functionality. Avoid exposing it to moisture, extreme temperatures or excessive pressure. Clean your keyboard regularly. Dust and debris can interfere with your keyboard's performance. Clean the keyboard regularly using compressed air or a soft brush to remove any particles. By following these troubleshooting steps and implementing preventive measures, you can overcome keyboard connection issues on iPad Pro update after iOS 17 and enjoy a smooth user experience. At the end of the video, I thank you for watching and I hope you liked it. And see you in a good video.